How to set up text alerts for account balances in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want instant balances update, well here is how to set up text alerts for your Regions Bank account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to head to the customer service alert section. And there you simply have to select manage alerts and then choose balance alerts from the option available, and there you have to enter your mobile number if it isn't already on file and verify it through a quick code sent by regions. And there you can set your alert preferences like when your balance drops below a certain amount or when deposits are made. So there you can choose text messages as the delivery method and then hit save to activate your alerts. And from now on, you'll get a real-time balance updates straight to your phone. And that's it. That's how you can stay in control with Regions text alerts. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.